Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find TxID on your KuCoin platform. So first of all, log in into your account and instead your cursor on profile icon at the top right corner and tap on that. Now, once you're here, you can scroll down until you find your total assets. And after that, tap on Assets Overview right here. So once we're here, we can scroll down until you find Recent Transactions. And right here you can tap on More button. After that you can see Deposit History, Withdrawal History and Transfer History. So let me tap on Withdrawal History. And after that I can tap on View Transaction or just tap on this three dot at the right corner. And right here you can see transaction hash and you can just tap on that. And also you can copy that. That's it, I hope it helps. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about KuCoin platform.